everybody, Shauna here, and I'm super excited today because I have my most favorite crafting buddy Jackson here with me, my grandson. We're going to show you today how to do a spring carrot. We're going to show you step by step so that you guys can make one too. Super fun. We're going to get everything ready and we'll be right back with you. We have Dollar Tree carrots. These are gift bags you can find at Dollar Tree. They come in a packet of 2. This is what you use to start with the project. It's going to be our carrot. I'm going to take this off. We're just going to use one of them for now. And I'm going to cut the green top off of this carrot. So we're left with this part. Then what I did was I made a form for the carrot before that you can stick in so that when you paint the carrot, the polka dots on the carrot, it doesn't go through to the other sides. So all I did was I took a piece of cardboard that I had, put it on here, and just trace around carrot. You want to do that? Put this inside here. We're going to take some white folk art acrylic paint. It is titanium white, and we're going to put a little bit of it on this paper plate. And then we're going to use this little pouncer. You can get a package of these at Dollar Tree also. And we're going to dip it in the paint. We're going to make sure all of the yellow is covered. And then you want to dab a little bit of it off so it's not all saturated on there. Then you take your carrot. Can you do the polka dots? Yeah, you're right. We do the polka dots. Good job. So in between each one, we're going to put it back in the paint and then do the same thing like that. And make more polka dots. Good job. Those look great. We're going to do a few more. Good. You might need some more paint, huh? Okay. Okay. Now what I like to do too, I'll show you a little trick. I like to do part of it on the side. So it's kind of like they're hanging off the side a little bit, you know, like that, to give it a little more depth. This is a super cute craft anywhere that you want to add a little pop of color to your spring decor. So that part's done. We're going to wait a little bit for this to be dry. I'm going to get my heating tool and dry the paint to make sure that it's dry all the way before we do the next part. Okay, our paint is dry. This is what it looks like now. What do you think? Good. You like it? So the next step, we have the carrot, the base of the carrot. We're going to crumple up these plastic bags and stuff them down inside. And crumple it real good for me. Good. Okay. And then push it down inside real good. Good. And we just make sure that there's some down on the tip of the carrot. Okay. We use 2 bags for each one. I'm going to crumple that one up. Good. Put that down in there. Very good. So you can see we have the making of a carrot here. Then you can squish it after you get the bags down inside and make sure it's down at the bottom. And you want to leave room at the top, because what we're going to do is we're going to gather the top like this, and we're going to put a knot around it with some jute string. Okay. This you can get at Hobby Lobby or at Dollar Tree. They have jute string too. I'm going to cut off a piece, maybe a foot long, just to make sure we have enough. Push down the bags a little bit more, form it around, gather up the top of the carrot. I'm going to need your finger to hold my place while I tie a knot around it. Okay, so hold it right there, put your finger right there. Good. Okay, good job. Yep, good job. So there we have, you can pull that out a little bit. This is what it looks like now with the jute string around it. Super cute. I like the way this is turning out. You did really good with those dots, polka dots.
This is what it's going to look like later.
Yep. Okay, so the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to make a bow to put on it like this one has. So this is ribbon that can be found at Dollar Tree. This is also ribbon that you can find at Dollar Tree. And this burlap ribbon is at Dollar Tree also. So what we're going to do is here, we're going to cut maybe about a 6-inch strip, 5 or 6-inch strip. There, right there. Yep. Good. Good. Okay. We're going to do 2 of these. So we're going to measure that and make this one the same size. Let me do this one. Okay. Good. Very good. Okay. Then we're going to need 2 of this. So we're going to measure it up, make it a little bit longer than that one. So we're going to cut this one right here. And we need 2 of those as well. And then we're going to take, this has got 3 different kinds of burlap ribbon in it. We're going to use probably the middle one. What do you think? You like that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one. Now this one you're going to do a little bit smaller than the polka dot one. I'm going to cut the last one for me. Okay. Cut it right there. Yep. Good. Okay. Now for the super easy ribbon that I learned how to do from refab.com, you're going to take these layers. First, I'm going to crisscross the green one, make it look like an X. Then crisscross the polka dot, and then the last layer. And then I'm going to take a piece of jute again and tie it. And tie it, you're right. Very good. So put it across there. Hold your place, turn it over in the middle. And then we're going to tie a knot. Real tight. Okay. I'm going to need your finger one more time. Right there. Very good. Thank you. Okay. So then you just spread out your pieces and make them look however you want it to look. Super easy. So what we have now is a cute little bow to go in the middle of the carrot. I leave these extra pieces of jute hanging on there just because when you put the bow on, it looks really cute with the extra. So I'm going to go get my hot glue gun and I'm going to glue this bow right to the center where that knot was that we made with the jute. Right there. This is what our carrot looks like so far. Looks super cute. I love it.
This is the next step.
Yep, that's the next step. You're right. You're doing a great job. Thanks for your help. You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so what he's doing is he's taking some of the greenery. That came from Hobby Lobby. There's different types you can use. Both of these came from Hobby Lobby. There's eucalyptus and this is called asparagus. We're just going to cut off a couple of these. Okay, you want to push at the same time I do?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? There we go. You can use as much or as little as you want of the greenery, and all that you're going to do is put it down inside where everything's tied together. And I put a little bit of hot glue in there to hold it in place so it doesn't go anywhere. But that's with one. It looks really cute. I think that's all I used before. Yeah, that's all I used on that one. Oh, it's raining really hard now. Wow. Spring is supposed to be here, but it's raining. A lot of rain this year.
Showed up all of a sudden.
Yeah, all of a sudden, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. So I like the way this looks. What do you think?
Good.
With one? All right, so we're going to go ahead and hot glue this in there. We'll be right back with you guys. Hot glued in the greenery, the asparagus bush. Come here, Jack. What do you think?
Good.
You think it looks good?
Yeah.
I do too. I really like it. And you can trim a little bit off of these pieces of jute that are at the bottom. But that's it. Our carrot is done. Our spring decorative carrot. What do you think?
Good.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
I did. Okay, here it is. Finished product. Looks so cute. It'll look great in the house. There's the other one. We got a pair of them now. Super cute. Thanks guys for watching today and hanging in with us. What we're going to do other crafts, so just check back. Click on subscribe, like, follow us. We're going to be doing crafts all the time. So check back with us. Have a great day. Bye.